Have you noticed something? Bike companies keep launching new motorcycles, but are they really new? Or is it just the same engine with different styling? Today, we're looking at 5 bikes that, in my opinion, probably didn't need their own identity. And before you roast me in the comments, hear me out till the end. Let's start with Honda, the H'ness CB350, CB350 and CB350 RS. All three share the same 348cc engine and most of the mechanical package. The biggest differences are styling, ergonomics and features. They're all good motorcycles. But if you're a new buyer, choosing between them can be confusing. Sometimes it feels like Honda made one bike and gave it 3 different outfits. Next is Royal Enfield, Classic 350, Bullet 350, Hunter 350, Meteor 350, and even the Gone Classic. Most of them are built around the same 349J platform engine. Different style, different riding position. But at the end of the day, do we really need this many 350 cubic centimeters options? Now KTM, 390 Duke, 390 Adventure, 390 Adventure R, 390 Endurorer, 390 SMCR. They're all based around KTM's 390 platform but aimed at different riding styles. Here, the differences make more sense than some other brands. But the lineup is getting so big that many buyers don't even know which one suits them best. Now, the most controversial one, Triumph. The Speed 400 was a hit. The Scrambler 400X also made perfect sense. But then came the Speed T4, Scrambler 400XE, Thruxton 400, and more platform derivatives. Triumph has continued expanding the same basic platform with multiple body styles. Personally, I think the Speed 400 and Scrambler 400X were already enough for most riders. My number one isn't a motorcycle, it's the trend. Brands are building one engine, one platform, and then turning it into 5 or 6 different motorcycles. From a business perspective, it saves development costs. But as a buyer, too many similar options can make buying more confusing instead of easier. So maybe the real question isn't, which bike should I buy? It's, are brands giving us more choice or just more versions of the same bike? That's just my opinion. Some of these bikes are genuinely excellent. I'm only questioning whether every variant really needed to exist now. It's your turn. Which bike do you think could have stayed on the drawing board? Comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gears and Pistons for more motorcycle discussions.